In Acts chapter 6, verse 1 and verse 7, the word multiplication is used, and it's directly talking about the disciples multiplying. But in verse 7 it says, "And the word of God increased, and the number of the disciples multiplied in Jerusalem greatly, and a great company of the priests were obedient to the faith." When we think about our responsibility to share the gospel with people, it's so important that whether we share the gospel by giving them a tract or talking to them, giving personal testimony, challenge them about their salvation, show them from the Word of God if they're willing to listen, how important it is to be saved. And sharing the gospel with people that we know is the greatest opportunity we have right now, because people are looking and we're not able to make contact with people in certain ways as we have in the past right now. Now, I want to show you something about multiplication. This is the brand bentonite clay that I recommend, highly recommend it. And I want to show you the bentonite clay. It has a 30 times expansion rate when it's exposed to water. So 1 teaspoon, I heard one scientist say that 1 teaspoon of bentonite clay could have the surface area of 1 to 2 football fields. I can't verify that, but I know that it's 30 times the expansion rate. So when we study the Word of God ourselves and we get encouraged by the Word of God and we realize our responsibility to tell others about Christ, it really the issue of multiplication is one person leads one person to Christ, or 2 people to Christ, and then those 2 people lead 2 people to Christ, and the expansion, the multiplication happens rapidly. Now's the time to witness. It always has been. Every day's the time to witness. Reach people you know, and watch God use the Word of God to expand the children of God through saving people. God bless you. Have a great day, and have a wonderful day on purpose.